You have no power to a fuel pump, right?
Yeah, manually putting power to the fuel pump.
And you found a bad ground for no start.
Right.
And now we're
I
ready.
can't seem to get the circuit breaker that's inside the fuse panel to function anymore. I have a feeling it's bad. We're going to need a whole new junction. But if I manually turn the fuel pump on and then fire the truck.
What's that noise?
And as soon as I turn off,
What's that noise? Oh, it shut off.
that's what happens as soon as I turn it off.
Well, that's a step in the right direction. So why did it shut off? You don't know?
Because I let go of the button that's making the fuel pump run.
Oh,
We got a limit. We only got like 4 volts going to the pump, and we should have 12. So
there we
I really think it's the relay inside here.
go. So then fuse box.